Are you feeling stuck in the daily grind? Looking to settle down in a peaceful, rural spot, whether to buy or rent? Today, we're diving into some fantastic small towns that might be just what you need. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Virtual Travel, where we explore places off the beaten path. If you're a remote worker dreaming of a quieter life, or maybe you're retired and want to enjoy country living, this video is for you. Our goal is to find that perfect balance. A charming town that's not too close to a big city, but not so remote that a simple doctor's visit turns into a weekend trip. Side note, I once knew someone who thought they had a heart attack. Called 911, got the ambulance, and everything, only to be told, it's just gas. She still jokes about it, but her pride took a hit that day. Anyway, enough about gas and heart attacks. If you enjoy this kind of content, please hit that like button. It helps us bring you more videos like this one. We've got enough towns for several follow-ups, so stay tuned. Alright, let's explore some great rural towns. 10. Dyersville, Iowa. Starting off in Iowa, in a cozy little town called Dyersville, with a population around 4,500. This place offers a peaceful lifestyle with a touch of charm. The nearest city is Dubuque, about an hour north. If you love quiet, scenic surroundings, Dyersville fits the bill. It's known for its beautiful farmland, rolling hills, and friendly community. Housing costs are quite reasonable. Homes start around $200,000. And you can find some charming older houses needing a little TLC. Internet options are decent but not lightning fast. Most providers offer around 50 megabits per second, enough for remote work. The crime rate here is very low, much safer than many towns its size. The town has a rich history, including being the filming location for Field of Dreams, which draws visitors from all over. Looking to buy? Local real estate agencies are ready to help. And the town website offers resources on schools, community events, and local businesses. This is a perfect spot for those wanting a laid-back rural life with a friendly vibe. 9. Mason, Texas. Next up is Mason, Texas, a true Texas Hill Country treasure. Just a couple of hours west of Austin. Mason has around 2,200 residents who enjoy a simple, rural lifestyle. The town is famous for its historic courthouse, local wineries, and scenic landscapes. Homes here start around $180,000. Ranch-style houses and charming cottages are common. Mason is perfect if you love warm weather and outdoor activities. Hiking, fishing, and exploring nature are right outside your door. Job opportunities are limited, so most residents either work remotely or are retired. The crime rate is well below the national average, making it a safe haven for families and retirees alike. Internet is available through multiple providers, with speeds around 100 megabits per second, sufficient for most remote work needs. If you're looking for a peaceful spot that still offers community events and local charm, Mason might just be the place for you. 8. Rosedale, West Virginia. Moving over to West Virginia. Rosedale is a small town with a big heart. In 2010, it had just under 600 residents. And it's maintained a quiet, close-knit feel. Nestled in the Appalachian Hills, Rosedale offers stunning views and outdoor adventures. Affordable housing is a big draw. Homes start below $150,000. And many are ready for a renovation project. Internet options include fiber connections, with about 70% coverage, enough for streaming and remote work. It's located near the Monongahela River, about an hour from Morgantown and 2 hours from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Healthcare is accessible, and the community is known for its friendly, welcoming vibe. If you're seeking a peaceful, scenic place to settle down, Rosedale is worth considering. 7. Bellevue, Florida. Now, let's head down to Florida. But away from the crowded coasts, to Bellevue. Just south of Ocala, this small town has about 8,000 residents. It's known for its lush landscapes and friendly atmosphere. Housing here is quite affordable, homes start at around $220,000. With plenty of single-family options. The weather? Hot summers, mild winters, perfect for outdoor lovers. Crime is lower than many surrounding areas. And internet providers offer speeds from 50 to 200 megabits per second. It's an ideal place if you want to enjoy a relaxed Florida lifestyle. Without the hustle and bustle of the tourist spots. And with plenty of parks and outdoor activities. Your weekends will be full of adventure. 6. Greenwood, Indiana. Next, we visit Greenwood, Indiana, just outside Indianapolis. With a population approaching 20,000. It's a bit larger than some others on this list, but still maintains a small-town charm. Affordable housing options start around $250,000. And the community boasts good schools and safe neighborhoods. You'll find reliable internet, most providers offer gig speeds. Perfect for remote work or streaming. The town has a vibrant local scene, with parks, shopping, and dining. It's about a 30-minute drive to downtown Indy. So you can enjoy country living with city amenities nearby. A great choice if you want a friendly community close to urban conveniences. 5. Pine Valley, Arkansas. Heading to Arkansas, Pine Valley is a quiet, scenic town. Just outside the Fayetteville metro. It offers a peaceful setting with quick access to city amenities. Homes start around $250,000 and go up from there. Many with sizable lots and beautiful views. Outdoor enthusiasts will love the proximity to parks, lakes, and trails. Crime is notably low, around 85% below the national average. Making it a safe haven for families. Internet options include cable and fiber. With speeds suitable for working from home. If a tranquil, nature-filled lifestyle sounds appealing, Pine Valley might be the perfect fit. 4. Meadowbrook, Tennessee. Let's explore Meadowbrook, Tennessee. A charming town located just 30 minutes south of Nashville. With a population of roughly 3,500. It offers a peaceful rural environment with easy access to city life. Houses start around $300,000. Many with large yards and country charm. Crime is low, and schools are well rated. The town has a cozy downtown with local shops and cafes. Internet options include fiber and cable. Making remote work feasible. If you love music, friendly neighbors, and scenic views, Meadowbrook could be your new home base. 3. Clinton, Iowa. Moving to the Midwest, Clinton, Iowa. A small town with a lot of history and community spirit. Located on the Mississippi River. It offers picturesque views and a relaxed pace of life. Population is around 25,000, and the cost of living is very reasonable. Housing is affordable, starting around $150,000. And the town hosts several festivals and events throughout the year. Internet is available through multiple providers. With speeds up to 100 megabits per second. While internet coverage isn't perfect everywhere. The community is tight-knit and welcoming. If you're looking for a peaceful, riverfront escape with a sense of history, Clinton might be calling your name. 2. Glenwood, Oregon. And finally, in Oregon, we have Glenwood. A quiet mountain town with stunning natural beauty. Close to Mount Hood. It's perfect for outdoor lovers seeking solitude and adventure. The population is under 1,000. But what it lacks in size, it makes up for in charm. Housing options start around $300,000. Many cozy cabins and rustic homes. Internet services include fiber. with speeds up to 200 megabits per second available in some areas. The community is tight-knit, and the surrounding nature is breathtaking. If you want a peaceful retreat with hiking, fishing, and mountain views, Glenwood is a hidden gem. And that's our list of the best rural towns to consider for your next chapter. Whether you're chasing tranquility, outdoor adventures, or a friendly community, these spots offer a little of everything. Thanks for hanging out with Virtual Travel. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. See you next time, and happy house hunting.